morning. I am Sylvia, the Crafty Old Lady. I hope you are all doing well and that you're happy, healthy, and safe. And today I'm working on Junk Journal July number 16, which is Petal. And I thought it would be fitting to do a glue page of nothing but flowers. And since we have all these flowers in the background too, it will work out good. So I have a bunch of flowers here. I have this one too that I thought we could put right in the middle, or maybe this one, but I'm thinking that maybe this one is just too big and I don't want to cut it. This one is pretty and it fits, but we also don't want it to cover up too much. I think I might keep this one out. We'll put this one here. Perhaps this one. Now that goes this way. So I need to get a few more. I've got some round ones. This page is so small, that's the problem. So I don't know if I want this covering everything in the background. So let's look through our, I have many flower pages. Look at that one. Isn't that gorgeous? But just too big for this one. We need some smaller ones. And also look at this one. Isn't that gorgeous? But I don't know. I could just actually do a background and put one flower on it. That would be pretty too, actually. Let's see. I don't want anything too big. Actually looking for ones that are small, like this one. And we'll try it both ways. We'll see if we like it with just a background and one big flower in the middle, because that would definitely work. Here's some smaller ones. That would definitely fulfill the prompt. Let's see what we can come up with. I really like this one too. I have no idea what it is though. Alright. And these petals are stunning with their little frayed edges. I don't know. I'm still thinking about it. Alright, let's see. Get some smaller ones to see how we can cover this page up. I don't want them all to be like the same color either. That's the challenge. Because mostly what I have is pink. Purple. Let's see. There we go. I guess I could cut this one up a little bit. And we could put this one this way. And that would be the whole page. I could put that in the middle. It takes up too much of the space though. But what we could do is put some of these circles around, which I don't think I like either. So it's going to either be this with maybe some words, or let's get these out of here. A nice background with maybe this on it, but then I'm cutting off. I guess we could put it this way. I don't want to cut any of it off. That's got a lot of neat petals too. And it kind of fits nicely on the background, actually. Yeah, that one doesn't go. This one looks the best just like that. What if I put this here? No, I think that looks good the way that is. And I don't think I want to cut these off. It would have to be this way, which would still be okay, because I would only be cutting off a tiny bit. I could kind of do it like that. But I don't want this as the background, though. That's the problem. Let me find a background, a more plain background, and see how it looks. Okay. Where's my darker colors? Whoops, I'm making my things. Okay, here we go. Yeah, I don't like pink on pink. I don't think I like this either. Where's my green? There's a lighter green. That's not too bad. But I don't know. I don't know. There's the dark green. That would be pretty. And I think if I use any of them, it will be this. But I don't know. I don't think I like this either. I think we're going to stick to our original plan and start gluing down these rectangles. I've got one page I can glue the pictures on, and I think it was these right here actually. And one to put behind here. Because I'm wondering if I want to just... I actually think I'm going to glue this page together. And because these pages are going to be very hard to work with, I think. I don't want too many of these smaller pages is what I'm saying. So let's do this. Alright. And now I'm just going to go ahead and put the glue right on top of this and start laying my pieces down. And I can guarantee I won't remember what was where, and then it probably won't fit. I can almost guarantee it. Let's see. I lost my little squeegee somewhere. I don't know what happened to it. That's my problem. I'm always losing stuff. And there's with a bee. A little flower with a bee on it. I guess I should have moved up closer. Look. Oh well. I can trim that off, I suppose. I should have took a picture. I think we had a smaller one over here. I think this is it. You're probably all going, no, that's not what was there. But this definitely fulfills the petals. I can actually leave that blank. I don't actually have to cover everything because those are flowers. Let's see. I'm going to put this down here. Maybe what I'll do is just put some of those circles onto. We've got this, I think, I don't know, I think I'm using different ones. I don't remember what I had there. I obviously don't have it set the way I thought. I think I'm going to put this here and just cut that off. I think I need to take this out before it gets stuck to my book. Alright, so we got that. I could just leave that like that. I don't need to fill that in because it's a flower. And, too bad it's not prompt 14. I think I'm going to make some smaller circles and put some over the numbers or words. Let's trim this off. Okay. That was on camera, actually. I can't believe it. I also think I'm just going to rip this little tiny page out. I can use it for some other things. But yes, I think that's good. This is really sticky because I forgot about that. I'm going to have to leave this open till it's dry. I could do something like this. They're all the same. Do you have any... Oh, here's a white circle-ish one. I could put this here. I don't know which way it goes, though. I guess I'm going to put it on this way, and we'll just kind of do that. There. And now, I'm going to take this one and try to cut a smaller circle out. That worked pretty good, and I can cover up the numbers. This one, I'll leave for the number. I'll cover it with a plain circle, but not brown. Yes, maybe I can find a word or something to put there. Because this is going to be sticky for a while. I'm not going to be able to work on it until it dries. Yeah, I'll do this off camera. Find a few words that I thought would be cute. Here is sun seekers, because, I mean, if flowers are anything, they're sun seekers. I'm just not sure where I will put that yet. I also have welcome new blooms, which is too big as it is. I would have to, I could just put new blooms. I could do that. More than meets the eye. Fresh and fabulous. I could just cut off Fabulous, but they are fresh flowers, so. And I have Love and Bloom and True Colors. But I think I am going to put this one. I'm just not sure where to put them because I have the bigger ones too. I'm not sure if I'm going to put all those bigger ones on there though. There's a lot more than meets the eye, and but this is just slightly too big, I think. Is it? Yeah, it's slightly too big. Fresh and Fabulous, I think fits good. It's not quite specifically for flowers, but that's okay. We'll get that set right here. Fresh and Fabulous. Okay, True Colors. Even that, like, because the circle there doesn't fit. Let's put Love and Bloom here. Maybe I can. No, that's stuck down pretty good. Just trim this a little bit more. I'm curious to see how other people are doing this post, because I can't think of any other way to do it without using flowers. There, that's perfect there. New Blooms or True Colors. Maybe I'll put True Colors right over this, or should I put New Blooms across the bottom? Let's put New Blooms across the bottom. I can cover up this number 2 here in the process, and yeah, I think that looks good. I am a little disappointed I didn't get to use one of my big flowers, but I'm sure I'll figure out some place to put them. There's New Blooms, and now we just need something. I have a whole bunch of little circles cut out. Here's a green one. I could put some ink around that. Let's see, I have a pink square. That might be pretty too, a square. Look how pretty that is. I don't think there's good ink would show up on that though. There's a little bird. I could put some birds on here. Here's orange. I'm not sure. Here's a lighter green. I don't like that one either. I think it's a toss-up between this and this. And I think the green is going to win. So let's get out our numbers. Here's a little tiny flower. Oh, that's another thing. I could put a couple of flower stickers on there. Didn't think of that. I think I will do that actually. Okay. Inking up our numbers. 1 and 6. How are you all doing? I hope you're having a fabulous day. I plan to have a fabulous day. It's gorgeous out. Alright, and now we'll just ink around it. It got so cool now. It's crazy. 1 week it's 100 degrees, and then 2 weeks later it was 50 this morning, if you can believe that. I mean, it's warming up, but it was pretty cold this morning, and that's okay. I'm not complaining. I just am shocked at how drastic our temperatures change up here and so fast. Even though I've lived here for 40 years almost. It still surprises me. Alright, let's see what kind of little flowers we can find to put on here. I'm going to put this one right here. I think that looks pretty. And I'll be back. Okay, so this is my final layout for number 16, Petals. I did add this flower, this one, that one, and oh, this one. This one you can hardly even see. So I didn't think I should add too much because the page is not that big. But anyway, let's see how it would have looked with something like this on top. Yeah, I think I'm okay with this. I will use these for another day. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know which way you would have gone. Would you have gone with a plain background and one big flower, or with what I did here? Thank you so much for watching. I think I said that already. And we'll see you again tomorrow for aged. Oh, I think I know how to do an aged page. Alright, we'll see you again. Or is it going to be a faked aged page or a real aged page? We'll see. Tune in tomorrow. Bye-bye.